You use your toothbrush to clean your teeth, but what cleans your toothbrush? You may not know it, but potentially harmful germs and bacteria are living on your toothbrush. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention found that even after being rinsed visibly clean, toothbrushes can remain contaminated with potentially pathogenic organisms.
Would you ever take a fork and use it and then pick it up 2 days later and eat with that same fork? No, you would sterilize in your dishwasher. So why is it that we consider our toothbrush to be left on a counter that is just spewing with bacteria?
Did you know that your toothbrush harbors germs and bacteria?
I never thought that my toothbrush was a perfect breeding ground for germs.
Do you know how much bacteria is living on your toothbrush? These people couldn't believe what we found on theirs.
Ugh. Yikes.
Oh, wow. That's disgusting. That is disgusting, and I'm embarrassed.
But now, there's an easy way to help you and your family stay healthy. All you have to do is brush, rinse, and sanitize.
Now there's an easy, effective way to sanitize your toothbrush every time you brush. So when you put it into your mouth, you know it's clean and up to 99.9% germ-free.
This is the Violite toothbrush sanitizer. You just put your toothbrush, any toothbrush, into the holder, press the button, and the germicidal UV light kills up to 99.9% of germs on contact. That's all there is to it.
Violite has been featured in the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, CNN, and Fox News. And when it was introduced, Time magazine named it one of the coolest inventions of the year. Let's take a look at what's actually going on here. Germs love your toothbrush. Microscopic food residue attracts them like a banquet table.
Plus, there's everything that lands on your brush whenever someone coughs, sneezes, or flushes.
Even if you rinse your toothbrush under hot water, it can still be covered with germs and bacteria that are harmful to your health. In fact, the Journal of the American Dental Association reports that contaminated toothbrushes not only harbor, but also transmit both viruses and bacteria.
One of the issues we all face is cross-contamination from our toothbrushes. If one family member is sick with a cold and the toothbrush touches another family member's toothbrush, that person can catch the cold.
If you have somebody in your house that gets sick, if you share the same toothbrush holder, your toothbrush is literally centimeters away from one another, and it's easy to cross-contaminate, and one person gets sick in your house, you run the risk of everyone getting sick in the house.
Let's find out just how many bacteria are living on the toothbrushes of a typical American family. We collected samples from a family home and sent them to a lab for analysis.
In the lab, technicians cultured the Walker family toothbrushes and then conducted counts for bacteria. Here's what was found.
Nancy?
Yes?
You are sitting there. You had 19 million.
It's like brushing your teeth with toilet water.
Renee, your bacteria count was 32 million.
Seriously?
Wow, that really makes me think about all those germs on that toothbrush.
And I always brush my teeth.
It's really not funny.
It's really gross. Yeah, it really concerns me.
We all know that germs and bacteria in your mouth can cause bad breath and illness. Recent studies have even found there may be a link between oral bacteria and an increased risk of heart attack or stroke.
These facts make one thing clear. Every toothbrush in your home needs to be sanitized every day.
Only Violite combines all the best features into one convenient unit. Germicidal UV light, a safe, effective germ-killing technology. It requires no heat, steam, or chemicals, and there are no extra steps. Plus, it offers easy one-button operation, 10-minute auto shut-off, convenient toothbrush storage, and a stylish design.